Understanding Been at Loggerheads, a guide to navigating disagreements. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might come across in books, movies, or even in daily conversations. We're going to explore what it means to be at loggerheads with someone. This phrase is not just about conflict, but it tells us a lot about how it's expressed and dealt with in English. So, let's get started and unlock the mysteries of this expression together. The phrase, been at loggerheads, is used to describe a situation where two parties are involved in a serious disagreement or argument. It suggests that both sides are stubbornly refusing to change their position, leading to a stalemate. The interesting part? This idiom has a nautical origin, dating back to when sailors used loggerheads, which were tools, in fights. However, today it's used in a purely metaphorical sense to describe any kind of impasse or deadlock between people. To help you understand how been at loggerheads is used in context, let's look at a few examples. The two departments have been at loggerheads over the budget for months, with no solution in sight. My roommate and I have been at loggerheads about the cleanliness of our apartment. The negotiation between the company and the union has been at loggerheads since the beginning. These examples show that the phrase can be applied to a wide range of disputes, from personal arguments to larger organizational or political conflicts. When using been at loggerheads, it's important to remember a few things. It's typically used in past or perfect tense forms because it describes a state that has occurred over a period of time. This phrase is best suited for serious disputes rather than minor disagreements. It can be used both in formal and informal contexts, making it versatile for various situations. Understanding the meaning of been at loggerheads is one thing, but how do you move beyond such a deadlock? While the phrase itself doesn't suggest resolution, it's often used in contexts where the next steps involve negotiation, compromise, or mediation. Acknowledging that you've been at loggerheads can be the first step toward seeking a solution and finding common ground. And there you have it. You're now more familiar with the phrase, been at loggerheads, and can use it to describe serious disagreements accurately. Whether you encounter it in writing or wish to use it in your own conversations, you'll know exactly what it entails. Remember, understanding each other's perspectives is key to resolving conflicts, even when we find ourselves at loggerheads. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we look forward to bringing you more interesting insights into the English language. Take care.